Hi, I'm Abhishek,
I'm Sam.
and this is our 10th take of this video. So let's hope it works. This is our Project Zero extra credit NBody Extreme video. So a few things that we did was we decided to implement elastic collisions, and we decided to add trails. So starting with elastic collisions. Ooh, sorry. Okay, there we go. So, we first implemented a distance method, which would have a body B as a parameter and calculate the distance from that body. So next we had a second method, which would check if the distance was close enough for a collision, and if it was, it would run a third method for collisions. This collision method would run these formulas on screen, and then it would calculate new velocities. Each of these velocities then had to be calculated again because we have x component and y component.
Okay, after that we did the trails. So the way we did the trails was we created a new class that was just a trail class. Inside of the trail class, we store two variables, which are the x and y position of a specific dot in a trail. And then we had an array list inside of NBody Extreme that would keep track of all the trails. And the reason why we chose to use array lists is because they're mutable. And so we can have any size array list and we can keep adding dots or the trails to that array list. So every single frame of the animation, we would add new trail instances underneath every single body. And those would just be little dots. And then we would draw the dots using std draw dot circle. And this was done by iterating through the entire array list. And the draw method is inside of trail and is part of the functionality.
So now we're going to show you the animation we made. And if you're looking at the terminal during this, you could see that every time we had a collision, it'd say close. So also in the video, you saw that when a bigger object would collide with a smaller object, there wouldn't be a big difference in velocity, but when they were two big objects, there's a large change in velocity.
Also, it's the animation we did is pretty much just sun interference, but we changed it up by making it Jigglypuff. It's also important to know that the animation does slow down, especially towards the end of the animation, as the number of trails is increasing, and so you have to call std draw dot circle so many times for every single trail instance.
Thank you.